When a party has materially breached, they are in a period where they might be allowed to cure. During that cure period, during this period called material breach, the other party may withhold performance but not cancel the contract, at least for a reasonable time. The end of this time period, the end of the cure period, the point at which the aggrieved party has the right to cancel the contract, is total breach. When does the cure period expire? In other words, when does total breach occur? We look to the Restatement Section 242 for a three-part test on when material breach matures into total breach. The restatement provides a three-factor test for determining total breach. You might note that it incorporates by reference the 5 factors in the material breach test from Restatement 241. The degree to which the breach is material is a factor into whether or not the breach is total as well. In addition, 242 focuses on additional harm from waiting for a cure and the likelihood that that cure will occur if a cure period is given. Sackett v. Spindler illustrated this concept of how a material breach matures into a total breach. There were 3 installment payments. They made the first installment payment, missed the second. Missing the second installment payment was not at that point a total breach. It was far less than 50% of the total value. However, by missing the third payment, in fact bouncing a check and doing other things besides, and then not curing after a reasonable time, that failure to pay matured into a total breach such that the other party was able to cancel the contract and refuse the sale. Walking off the job is a key factor in elevating or maturing material breach to total breach. In K&G Construction Co. v. Harris, we specifically saw how walking off the job drops the chances of cure to effectively 0. With no chance of cure, the cure period is effectively over, and material breach is elevated to total breach. And so a very significant factor in determining whether or not there is total breach is if the contractor is willing and able to repair the damage. If they walk off the job, most likely we're in a place of total breach.